press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. And today I'm recreating this beautiful soft smoky eye look by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. She's not only famous in Bollywood but has also made a mark in Hollywood as well. So stay tuned to see how I got to this look. So that's it for the video guys. Let us know if you tried this look out in the comment section below. And because you love POPxo and our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm X Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!